Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl, the key is me, and I am back again with another video. I'm gonna be showing y'all how I created this clip-in look with absolutely no leave out, sis. There's no leave out. Isn't that crazy? So in this video, I'm going to be showing some clip-ins from HerGivenHair. Now, y'all know I always work with HerGivenHair, and these are going to be the coily clip-ins that I usually go for this texture when I do get hair from them. It is in a 16-inch, and I believe this is a 3C4A type of texture. This is it straight out of the bag. Of course, I always go in and detangle the hair with conditioner as I just rinse it. And this is what I use. The Denman brush and then the conditioner that I always use on my natural hair and my clip-ins, weave, etc. is going to be the Aussie Moist. And any one will work, to be honest. They have different kinds. Either one, I've used all of them. And this is going to be the hair after I detangled it and washed it with just conditioner. No shampoo, just conditioner. So as you can see, this is my braiding pattern. My braids are old, okay? They are old. I just went ahead and put some gel on them to slick my edges down. But other than that, these are like 3-week-old braids. And as you can see, this is the hair. It is semi-dry. It's a little damp, but it's dry pretty much. And these set of clip-ins come with 10 individual pieces. And so you're going to get 2 of each. So this one has 5 clips on it. There's 2 of those, and then there's some with 4, 3, 2, and 1, etc. So I'm just going to put the clip-ins in standard like I would usually do. As you can see, my hair is completely laid down, and I'm going to show you the magic of this video. So y'all stick around. I promise it's coming. Don't be afraid to cut your clip-ins if you have to. As you can see me doing here, I did have to cut it to match the small part in the front. And I do have to say that I got this look. I was inspired by another beauty on YouTube. I can't think of her name off the top of my head, so I'll put her link down in the description box below. Now we're getting into the parting area. As you can see, I'm going to flip the track. The actual clip-in, I'm going to flip it the opposite way. Therefore, once I flip it over, as you can see, I put it in the opposite way. Then after I did that with both sides, I'm going to take my crochet needle. And as you can see, I'm going to slow it down for you. As you can see, you want the crochet needle to go in the opposite direction of the way you want the hair to be pulled through the braid. So for example, here I am working on the left side of my head and I want the hair to come towards the right. So I'm going to put it in the left direction. And then when I pull it through, the hair is going to come through and I can flip it back over the braid. And that's going to give the illusion of the hair looking like it's growing out of my scalp to me, because I'm also going to insert a clip at the end where my friends, they saw my hair after I finished and they could not believe that this was a complete style with no leave out. So again, you're just going to push the crochet needle through, and because I want it to come on the opposite end, I'm going to put it in the opposite direction, pull it through so that when it comes, I can flip the hair over the braid. Y'all, it's like magic. Like, this girl was a genius. All right, and as you can see, I finished the left side of my head. Do not mind the track in the back. I'm going to show y'all how to cover that as well using the crochet method. But this is what we're working with, and now we're going to move to the opposite side of my head. All right, so now that we got to the right side, this is what you do not want to do. As you can see, you see how I'm sticking my needle in the wrong direction? You do not want to do that. You want to make sure you're putting it in the right direction, because if you don't, here is an example. As you can see, because it's in the wrong direction, when I pull the hair through, the hair is on the same side that the crochet hair is on. That's what you don't want, because you don't have it flipping over the braid to disguise the braid. So that's just something that you do not want to do. I'm going to show you again what not to do. Then here, I'm just going to be showing you, I'm going to take a piece in the front part of my bang, and I'm just going to take a small piece and I'm going to crochet it right where you see the actual track showing in the middle. And that's all you really have to do, is you're just crocheting it inside of your braids or your hair if you have your hair into a ponytail or twist. And that's all you have to do. Genius, right? Like, I'm so happy that I learned this method. And then, of course, I'm going to spray my hair down with a little water just to get the curls to act right, pretty much, because I want to put some leave-in conditioner in it. I didn't put anything in it after I got done washing it. So this is a leave-in conditioner that I'm going to be using. I'm going to pop it up on the screen, and that's pretty much all I use. Oh, no, I did use some gel as well. So I went in with a little bit of gel, just raked my hands through the curls. And this is the finished look. As you can see, the hair is damp in the first couple clips because I went ahead and added some water so that I can put some leave-in conditioner and the gel on the hair to further define the curls. As you can see how flawless the parting look. It looks like the hair is growing out of my scalp. My friends could not tell that these clip-ins were no leave out. Like, they thought my hair was blended in so perfectly with the clip-ins until I told them that, nah, sis, it's no leave out. Like, crazy, crazy. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the rest of the clips. Stay tuned for the end so that you can see their reaction. And thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you could please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video.
So we're out, and what y'all gotta say about the hair?
It's bomb.
It's amazing.
I'm stunned. I'm lost.
So wait, it's no leave out for real.
No leave
leave
out.
out.
I'm shocked. Lord, have mercy. Shocked. Taking it back.
Can you do my hair?
Taking it back.
Can you do my hair? I don't do other people's hair.
No, but for real, for real.
There's no leave out, seriously.